How to temporarily deactivate your LinkedIn account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to deactivate your LinkedIn account. You can do this by going over to your LinkedIn profile and then head over to the option on the top right to your profile. Go to settings and privacy. And from there, make sure you head over to account preferences, or this part is selected. Scroll down until you see account management. So there are two options. If you want to completely delete your account, you can close your account, but if it's temporary deactivation, click on hibernate account. Click on it. So what happens is your profile won't be visible to anyone, including your connections, and your previous activity will remain intact, but your profile photo and name will be removed from it. Others won't be able to find or message you. What happens if you're associated with premium subscription? So active subscriptions will be canceled automatically as soon as you hibernate your account. And if you choose to reactivate subscriptions, discounted pricing may no longer be honored. So if you're sure you want to hibernate your account, click on hibernate, select your reason, and you can give it feedback here and then click on next. And you just have to provide your profile password and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.